जब अर्जुन ने कहा सामने अपने हैं, तब श्री कृष्ण बोले अपने हैं तो सामने क्यों है. Sometimes life places us in moments like Arjun's, where battle is not with strangers but it's with our own. When emotions cloud duty, when love stands against righteousness. Arjun trembled, seeing his own before him. The fact here is the truth is not defined by relationships, it is defined by dharma, righteousness. Dharma here means following what's right and not religion. In life also, we often face such battles, especially while fighting for our dharma. We find ourselves torn between pleasing our loved ones and doing what's right, between comfort and conscience. Shri Krishna's question is a mirror. Who are you really loyal to, your truth or your relationships? Believe me, every time you choose truth over attachment, your soul gets lighter, purer. Because peace comes not from avoiding confrontation, but from standing with what is right, even when your heart trembles, even when your heart breaks. So, next time you find your own standing opposite to you when you are fighting for dharma, pause, breathe, and remember Shri Krishna's words. If they were truly yours, they would not ask you to betray your dharma, and instead of fighting against you, they would have fought with you. Let that truth sink in slowly. It stings at first, but it frees you deeply. Now the question comes, what if relationship is very important? What if it will break if I don't support them? Let's be honest, here the real fear is not dharma or righteousness, it's the fear of loss. Arjun was not afraid of war, he was afraid of losing his own. And Shri Krishna didn't dismiss that fear, he exposed it. A relationship survives only if you betray your truth is not a relationship built on love. It is a relationship built on conditions, dependency, expectations, judgments, and fear. Yes, some relationships will crack you when you stop enabling what is wrong. Some may even walk away. The pain is real, no denial here. But hear this clearly. No relationship is higher than your dharma. True ones will stay, fake ones will collapse. Because when you abandon dharma to save a bond, you don't save the relationship, you lose yourself. And when you lose yourself, even the relationship you protected starts feeling heavy, bitter, and hollow. Shri Krishna's question cuts deep. Apne hai to samne kyun hai? If they were truly yours, they wouldn't ask you to shrink, lie, or abandon what you know is right. They may disagree, they may struggle, but they would not demand your self-betrayal as the price of belonging. Sometimes relationships survive truth, some end because of it. But every time you choose dharma over fear, your inner conflict ends, and that peace is non-negotiable.